Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to understand like how actually we can create a Azure Data Factory. Okay. So I have logged into my Microsoft Azure account. If you want to create a data factory, first you have to search for the data factory. Okay. Once you will search for the data factory, you can see the data factory icon will appear. Click on that. Okay. And here we have option like to create a data factory. From here also you can create, and here also the create data factory option we have. Okay. Once you click on the create button, okay, this particular screen will appear. So whenever you are creating any kind of the services in Azure, right, so there are the two things which you have to remember. First you have to give your subscription, and then you have to give the resource group on which particular resource you are creating. I have already created resource group, so I will select that. Okay, after that you have to give your the data factory name. Okay, so I am giving 6 7 8 to 9, but you can give based on your proper naming. Okay, after that the select the region and the version. V2 is the latest version, so we will go with that. Okay, after that click on the next. Here we have option like if you want to configure a git, you can do that, but we are not going to do as of now, so I will just unmark that. But if you want to do, you can fill all the details. Okay, and connect with, as of now we are giving a public endpoint because we are doing a practical. Okay, and click on the next review and create. Once you will click on the review and create, and after that you have to click on the create. After that the deployment will start and it will be completed. Okay, so you can see the submitted deployment. If you want to see the status, here we have a option like the notification window. Here you can see whatever the deployment is in progress. Once it will complete, you will also see the deployment is complete and you can go to the source. Okay, so let us wait it to be completed. Okay, once it will complete, we will try to see how actually we can open Azure Data Factory Studio and we can create a pipeline. You can see the deployment is completed. Click on the go to source. Once you will click on the go to source, you can see these are the data factory video. Okay, now here we have option overview, activity log, IAM, different things. Okay, here I think this is the new window which is now coming. This is the latest. If you want to launch the Azure Data Factory Studio, click on the launch studio. Okay, in the new window Azure Data Factory Studio will come. There only we will create a Azure Data Factory pipeline and all the kinds of the activity we will do over there. Okay, so once it will open, we'll try to explore more about it. Okay, now once you will click on the Azure Data Factory Studio, this will be the particular screen which appear. Now click on the home. Home will look like this. Okay, now the second is the author. Most of the activity we will do in a author window only. If you can see here, we have option of the author. Here we can create a pipeline. Here we can create a data set, data flow, power query. All the things we will understand when we will do a practical. Okay, and the monitor, in monitor window we will try to track our pipeline which is running, which is scheduling, everything we will try to monitor. And manage is like to create a link service integration, runtime, git configuration and all, everything we'll do. But most of the time we will spend in the author activity. Okay, in next video we will do a practical and we will try to understand more about it.